Have you ever hung a drawing on your refrigerator? Often, when someone hangs a picture like this, they use a magnet. Magnets use a special force that attracts certain objects. These objects are magnetic. Metals like iron, nickel, steel, and a metal called cobalt are all magnetic. Metal objects are especially magnetic if they have a lot of iron in them. Some examples are screws, nails, safety pins, and paper clips. Magnets are not attracted to things that are not magnetic. Materials like plastic, wood, and rubber are not magnetic. Magnets can also attract each other, or they can push each other apart. Whether or not a magnet connects or pushes apart depends on which side of the magnet is in contact with the other. The north side of a magnet will attract the south side of another magnet, but two sides that are the same will repel each other. Magnets can be found in a lot of places, even around your house.